how to update contact and mailing information in Discover Bank on desktop. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you need to update your contact info with Discover Bank, well here is how to do it on desktop. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside, you can just click on the search bar and simply search for the Discover Bank. And now here on the search result, just click on the first link and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the Discover Bank. Now here, simply log in using your credentials and once logged in from your main dashboard, you can click on Profile and Settings or Account Services and there you have to select Contact Information or Personal Information to see your current details. And there you can update your mailing address, phone number or email as needed and make sure everything is correct. And once you're done with it, you can just click Save or Submit to apply the changes and check for a confirmation message or email. And you can also double check your info to ensure Discover can reach you for statements and alerts. And that's it. That's how you can update contact and mailing information in Discover Bank on desktop. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.